Hello and welcome to another Cloudblast tutorial, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to install Pufferpanel. So the first thing you need to do is to log in with your root information. I'm not going to show my info as I'm already logged in. Now you must run the following command before starting with the installation, as this will update and upgrade all the repositories on your VPs and its apt-get update and an apt-get upgrade and an apt-get dist upgrade. So after that is done, you need to run this two commands: copy the video or check the description, and wait for the installation to finish it. Can take few minutes depending on the VPS. So now we need to add an admin panel with the following command: sudo pufferpanel user add, and make sure to enter. Why? For when it asks, would you like the admin to fully use the panel? Now you just need to fill in the informations. And now the last step is to start the panel. And that is basically it for today's tutorials, folks. And I will see you guys in a future tutorial. Make sure to give us some suggestions in the comments.